Hello students, this is Geethanjali. In the last video we did inheritance of two genes, that is a dihybrid cross, and in this video we'll be doing law of independent assortment. So the law of independent assortment is the third law, okay, and it was actually derived from the observations of a dihybrid cross, okay, whereas the first two were derived from the observations of a monohybrid cross. Now, what does this law state? So, whenever gametes are formed, the alleles, okay, the pair of alleles that we see representing a gene, so they will segregate or they will separate from each other independently of the other pair. Okay, so we know there are many genes. Okay, there's not only one gene, and hence there will be many pair of alleles. So these many pair of alleles will separate from each other independent of the other pair. Okay, so let us take an example. I have one pair of allele here and another pair of allele here. So these both will separate from each other independently of this pair of allele. Okay, so there is no sort of connection or any sort of link between them. Okay? So, so in this case, you will find that there two types of gametes will be formed because here anyway you will get one the gamete will get A here, and here it will either get a capital B or small b. So the combinations that you have is this and this. So how to find out without doing all this? So there's just one formula, 2 to the power of n. So here n represents the number of heterozygotes. Okay, so heterozygotes means number of different pair of alleles. So you can see here uh, this allele in this pair of allele both are different. So like that you have one. Okay, and this is a homozygous pair. This is a heterozygous pair. So here we have one heterozygous pair. So you will get two types of gametes. Let us say we have this. So in this case, we'll have two heterozygote pair, two heterozygote pair. So we'll have four combinations. So we will find four types of gametes produced. So this is how you'll have to calculate without the separating and manually doing all the calculation. And also, this law is not universal. It has an exception that we'll be learning later. That exception is linkage. That means they're actually sometimes the alleles are not completely independent of the other pair of alleles. So we'll see that in the coming videos.